This is banana and apple. Okay. Let's put some milk.
Oh, Abby, why you hold this?
Okay, together you hold it. Let's put some milk.
Put here.
We'll put the milk, then Nadia, you close it.
Yes.
Okay, Nadia, close it.
I'll close. Abby get close. Okay. Now Abby will stand. I will don't stop.
Close it very well. Okay, let me help you.
Now
Make it stronger.
stronger. Then I can shake it.
You can shake it? Okay, shake.
Now I will turn. Then Abby gets low.
Okay.
Now, get it. No, shake it, John.
Okay.
Now, I'll
Wait. When I say go, you go, okay? Okay, Nadia, go.
Not just go.
This way.
This way. Yeah.
Okay, it's ready.
It's
Yeah.
ready.
Yes.
Please. Let's move it.
Okay, wait.
Abby,
So
guess
now you
what?
are excited to drink, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Apple. Banana and apple milkshake. It's okay. I'll put it.
Okay, give it.
Abby,
Put.
I'll
Take and put. Take and put.
take and put.
Okay.
Done.
Put my. You're not giving this one for me, huh? You want to drink alone?
No.
Okay, thank you. Let's drink together. Okay, let's cheers.
But banana mat is only.
Huh?
There's no apple mat.
It's good?
I'm not finished drink because it's apple and banana is yummy. But it's too so much.
So much? But you put it so much.
I don't want so much.
Okay, you give to daddy. What's this?
Poodle.
Take. What's it?
Poodle.
Take. Grape.
Grape? No, it's grape.
English grape. Anguma. What? Puto?
We eat too. Grape. Because it's grape.
So, tell me the two types of fruit we use to do this. What do you put here?
Banana.
We put
Apple and banana.
apple and...
Banana.
Okay, the last one is, where is the milk?
I don't want milk. I need the milk.
We put three ingredients. What is it?
Apple.
We put again?
Banana. Again? This one?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's this?
Banana.
No, this is...
Banana.
This is...
Apple.
And this is...
Apple. Apple.
No! This is...
Apple.
And this one?
Apple.
No. Why are you confusing me? This is...
Apple.
And this is...
Banana.
This is...
Banana.
Banana. You are confusing me.
Uncle Abby's
Then this is...